Yo, you know, so me just want to say this to me Jamaican people, them, you know. Every single one who get affected and who didn't get affected by Hurricane Melissa. Me just want to say this to every single Jamaicans. If y'all don't take nothing from this hurricane, me I beg you please, take the opportunity from this hurricane to start love every single person. This is all me I say to you. If you don't get nothing from this hurricane, you need to take this from it. Forget about the hate. Ask the Lord to purge out the hate out of your heart and start love people. Start love your neighbor as you love yourself. And it doesn't matter whether you come from Jamaica, whether you come from the US, whether you come from the UK, any part of the world people come from. Start to show more love and appreciation. Because Jamaica, I have seen it over the years, how we hate people, especially people from other countries. And look at this now, through this time of devastation, the same people them who hate, me see them a push out and a help Jamaica in this recovery process. Me see man like Noah Lyles. Me see no beat that brother there in a star. Wicked, you know. The same Shakari. Me see no beat her. Even no one Jamaican girl, which is Noah Lyles' wife. Me see no beat her too, you know. And many more people me see no beat, you know. And what is so funny, even during this time of devastation, me still see you know beat people. Now it's not even the time for someone to open the mouth. You understand me? I say, now is the time for you to give thanks and show love. Because these people that are helping, many of them didn't have to help. You understand? If they have the heart and the minds like what some of we Jamaicans have, they wouldn't even look at us. You understand me? I say, right now I wish I was in the position to flew down to Jamaica right now and go up to my little parish in quick step and give a helping hand in any farmer way. If it's even the draft in my water boot and my cutlass. You understand me? I say, or me hammer and go help some people do some work. But unfortunately I can't. But me have to give thanks to every single individual who put Jamaica first right now. Me just can't understand why we have to have so much hate in our hearts for people. Eh? People always disagree. People always say things to offend you. Likewise, you can say things to offend people, but without have the result to hate. People will always disagree. You understand me? I say, Jamaica, me I telling you this. If we don't take nothing from this hurricane, please, me I beg you no. Take love and togetherness from it. Because without love and togetherness, the thing not gonna work. It not gonna work. I feel so embarrassed when I go out in the street up here in the US and I hear people talking about how Jamaicans operating, especially in this time of devastation. Sometimes we feel let go of our ego and our pride for the better of our people and our country. You understand me? I say, we need to do that. And another thing we want to tell you, after this recovery process has ended and people get back them normal life or some sense of it, you don't go back to bad mind and hate and crime and violence. We are tear down Jamaica. You need to, yo, this is a shake up in a man. You don't need to shake up on the folly ground and start the good by every single body. Your neighbors, everyone who live in Jamaica and those who visit Jamaica, you don't need to start love more, brother and sisters. You don't need to. This is a warning, you know. Me I tell you this, you know. This is a warning, and me I warn every single individual in Kingston and other areas who didn't get affected by this storm. You don't feel like this is a safe haven for you. You don't feel like you get away. You understand me I say? Me no want to feel, Kingston, me I tell you no, me no want to feel like you get away. This is just a warning, and you better take heed to this warning. Because if you don't take heed to this warning, another catastrophe is on its way. And that me I tell you no. And me not gonna like it. Me good on my knee. I have never prayed so much for the longest while. And give thanks that none of my family members in Jamaica so far hasn't been affected. Apart from my sister who live in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, she lose her roof. That's all. You understand me I say? But me have to just give thanks. Because the one thing me know about my family, them love everybody. You understand me I say? Me have some people in some little district where the district tear up in a star. Even same place in a Quick Step. Me see Quick Step district down there in St. Elizabeth, close to Maroon Town, mash up, you know. And me know people down there who not even them roof them no lose. Because they are God bless. You understand me I say? People who no need to start love more. Me I say big up to all of the artists them who push out and do what them can do to help Jamaica. Because me I tell you no, even the artists them, you know, them never have to do it. Them never have to do it. Nobody who do it didn't have to do it. Or should I say, a lot of who do it didn't have to do it. Because most of who do it, who Jamaican people always have a bag of shit to talk about, you know. You understand me I say? Even now that they are on the ground helping people who can't even help, still I criticize the artists them. You see me I say? Mr. Vibes Cartel have to send somebody go suck out the mother. Because the person going to ask, what are you doing for Jamaica? And me guarantee you that person asking that question probably ain't doing shit but taking up the phone and typing. Me understand people free to say anything what they want to say. But in this time of devastation, in this time of destruction, if you don't have nothing good to say, you better just keep your fucking mouth shut, man. And that me I say. Because a lot of you are spreading this narrative on Jamaicans. Everybody has see it. Everybody has see what we want to say. And if people did really have the mindset when they found have, they wouldn't even bother to help. You understand me I say? I just want to say this one more time. If y'all don't take nothing from this hurricane, I am 43 years old. I know Gilbert. And Gilbert a baby to this. Me glad me never did Jamaica if you really experience this hurricane. You understand me I say? Me just want to know that this is a warning. You understand me I say? Because trust me, some place where me see, me have to really wonder if it's a hurricane really do the place like this. This look like a tornado to rotted. It look like a tornado. Another thing when me a pray, no trees, no green, no grass, no green. Me have to wonder if them put grammar zone in the blood clot rainfall during the hurricane. Everything burn up. It's a warning this in a man. But guess what? Jamaica will come back bigger and better and even more beautiful. You understand me I say? But me just want all of the people them in a Jamaica and all of the people them out of Jamaica stop with the fucking narrative about Jamaica. You understand me I say? If you don't have nothing good to say, shut the fuck up. God bless Jamaica. God bless every single person who help and who is about to help. May none of y'all food basket never empty. Big up again to Shakari. Big up to Noah Lyles, Shaggy, Cartel, Popcorn, Massacre, every single artist who dep on the ground in Jamaica. I do what them can do to restore back our beautiful island Jamaica, land we love. Salute to every single person, everyone, every countries who send aid to Jamaica. God bless you. Blessed, blessed.